Welcome to What's Trending. I am Ove John. Today our What's Trending is about key cutting. Key cutters are sometimes referred to as keysmiths or key workers. They are experts and run and maintain the machinery that cut keys. The machine that they most commonly use is called a key duplicating machine. The machine takes a blank and makes identical duplicates of the original. Hey, here's our guy Mario. Will be demonstrating to us about cutting keys.
Okay, good day guys. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a key. First of all, you ensure you have your eyes protected. Then you need to select the right blank for the key you want to copy. It may be a little difficult, but once you get to know it, it's going to be easy. Now I'm going to place the original key there as my guide. Then, secondly, I'm going to put a blank in the duplicate section. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my key. Wait until it clips off like that. Now I'm going to file this off, smooth it up a bit. Okay, now as you can see, it's perfectly cut.
So that's how you cut your key. If you need to cut your key, come down to Rayneau store in Corinth, and trust me, you won't regret it. With that, we come to the end of another episode of What's Trending. You can also check us out on the website at www.raycip.com or like us on Facebook at Rayneau Construction Industrial Products Limited on Facebook, Instagram. Also, you can give us a call at 450-7247. So thank you, Mario, and thank you for joining us on a What's Trending episode. See you next time.